Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing this Zak's Tavern Oktoberfest buttered Spaetzle. So here is everything that we're going to need. We've got a large spoon, a skillet, some scissors, a microwave safe plate, and our Spaetzle. So the first thing we're going to do is take this out of the box and we're just going to cut a little piece off of the corner of this Spaetzle bag and put it on our microwave safe plate. All right guys, now that I've looked at this package with my plate, it's a little bit big, so we're gonna swap it out for a different microwave safe plate because we don't want any mess. So I'm gonna put that on there like that so that if it does leak over, there's more plate over here for it to leak onto. We're gonna put this in the microwave for between 3 and 4 minutes, they say, so I'm gonna go with 3.5. All right guys, it's been 3.5 minutes. Our Spaetzle has come out of the microwave and now we're going to put it into our nonstick skillet and we're gonna preheat that on medium-high heat. Get that going. And then we're just gonna cut off the rest of the top of our Spaetzle bag and pop that into our skillet. You're gonna wanna break apart any of the large chunks and then we're just gonna heat this for around 4 minutes until it is sizzling hot, they say. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right guys, it has been 4 minutes. I've been stirring this constantly and it is definitely sizzling hot. So we're gonna call these good. If you'd like to know how they taste, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we'd purchase these again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye. All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.